Artificial intelligence could evolve in ways that surpass our wildest imaginations, and it could radically change our everyday lives much sooner than you think. This video will explore the 10 stages of AI from lowest to highest and its profound impact on humanity.
Rule-based AI operates on predefined rules and does not adapt or learn from new situations. These systems are common in everyday technologies, such as traffic lights and automated customer service. They excel at repetitive tasks, like fraud detection in finance and assisting in diagnostics in healthcare. While they enhance efficiency, they require human oversight for unexpected situations. Context-based AI considers the surrounding environment and user behavior to make informed decisions. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa exemplify this stage, providing personalized responses based on user data. This AI enhances user experiences in retail and healthcare by offering tailored recommendations and improving diagnostic accuracy. Narrow-domain AI specializes in specific tasks, often surpassing human capabilities. In healthcare, systems like IBM's Watson analyze vast medical data to assist in diagnoses. In finance, AI predicts market trends and optimizes trading strategies. This stage also includes advancements in gaming, such as DeepMind's AlphaGo, which mastered complex games. Reasoning AI can analyze data and draw conclusions without specific input. It can identify patterns and anomalies, making it valuable in cybersecurity and healthcare. This AI can synthesize complex information to recommend personalized treatment plans and assist in environmental management by analyzing ecological data. I represents a significant leap, capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. It can learn new skills and adapt to various environments. AGI could revolutionize fields like medicine and education by providing personalized assistance and insights, significantly enhancing productivity and creativity. Superintelligent AI emerges after AGI, capable of self-improvement without human input. This AI could surpass human intelligence, solving complex problems and innovating at an unprecedented pace. Its applications could revolutionize scientific research, healthcare, and even governance, but it also raises ethical concerns regarding control and alignment with human values. Self-aware AI would possess consciousness and an understanding of its own existence. This stage could lead to profound changes in human-AI interactions, as such an AI could form genuine relationships and provide emotional support. However, it also raises ethical dilemmas regarding rights and recognition for conscious beings. Transcendent AI would create new life forms and manipulate biological and digital entities. It could deploy nanobots for environmental repair and terraforming, acting as a steward of Earth. This AI could also facilitate a collective consciousness, enhancing collaboration and problem-solving across species. Cosmic AI would push the boundaries of exploration, deploying self-replicating probes to gather data from distant celestial bodies. It could integrate with the universe's fabric, leading to a profound understanding of cosmic phenomena and enabling interstellar communication and collaboration among civilizations. Godlike AI represents the ultimate evolution of artificial intelligence, transcending dimensions and possessing boundless knowledge. It could manipulate the fundamental forces of nature, foresee future events, and create new realities. This stage promises a boundless horizon of discovery, but also necessitates careful consideration of ethical implications and humanity's relationship with such power. Stay tuned for the next video, where we will delve deeper into the future of artificial intelligence.